Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your password on your Reddit account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is sign into Reddit and then select your user account picture or logo up in the top right. Just go ahead and select that. And then go down and select Settings. And then once you're on the settings menu here, there should be something that says password. Go ahead and select that. And then you go ahead and insert your current password and then change your password to whatever you want the new one to be down here. Please note that if you're unable to sign into Reddit, there is an option to reset your password or if you forgot it on the sign-in page. So that's a different kind of tutorial, obviously, but pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.